kitchen department, which is also known as a galley department. Now galley department is divided into two sub departments. First is hot galley, second is cold galley. Now what is hot galley? So guys, this department is responsible for preparing all hot foods, like preparing a meat, preparing a fish, preparing a vegetables, soups, grilled. And the people and the position work under this department, they are like executive sous chef. We have a com1, com2, com3, and some other positions are working under this department. All right. On the other hand, we have a cold galley, which is responsible for preparing a bakery, pastry, and other buffets. So this video is about a bakery and pastry department, and the complete information about this department, like what education qualification is required, all right, how much experience is required, what is going to be your salary, and what is going to be a job profile. And as well as I will share with you the hierarchy of the department, so you know in the future what positions you are going to be promoted to. And as well as I will share with you how you can apply for the job and the current vacancies which are available at the moment. I will share with you agencies, and I will share with you a company websites as well. All right. So, and guys, if you want to get information of a hot galley, which is a part of a kitchen department, so I have already prepared a video and have shared a complete information. If you want to watch that video, it is available on this I section, which is the I button. Please click on this button and you will be able to watch out my previous video which I have already prepared on a kitchen department, which is dedicated to a hot galley. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video guys. I know guys, this video took a very long time, but guys, kitchen department is such a huge department and there are so many of positions, you won't believe. Let me show you. Do you see these papers? Do you see these papers? These are the information which I have been writing from last 2 days, and I had a word with so many of my friends, and after that I was able to prepare this video basically because I did not have enough information, and you guys were requesting me to make a video on a pastry and the bakery department because the information about this is not available, which is available even on internet. It is really very less and it is incomplete. All right, so guys, before I proceed into this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to the all notification on, so when I get more informative videos like this, you get notified automatically. As you guys know, I come up with the complete information. If the information is not complete, there is no video. Let's get started. So guys, before I start sharing the information, I would like to put a one disclaimer, which is about, as you guys know, there are so many of cruise line in the entire world, and each and every cruise line, they have their own salary structures. All right, so I'm going to give you a basic range, and even the positions and the hierarchy as well, all the cruise line, they have their own. So information, whenever you will join a cruise line or if you are working in a cruise line, so information might vary. All right, so it is not going to be the exactly same whatever department, whatever the cruise line you are working for. Maybe it will match up with the any of the cruise line, and the conclusion I'm trying to put into a one box, so you will get a complete information. All right, let's get started. Number one, let's talk about education and qualification which are required to work under this department. As you guys know, in order to work in a cruise ship, the minimum qualification is required has to be a high school, means you have to be 10 pass. So if you are 10 plus, it makes you eligible to work on a cruise ship, but does not mean you can work in every department or you can go for any position. All right, so here as well, it is required a minimum high school and above, and if you have any of the information, any of the education and some qualification on a culinary department, so it will also going to help you to get a job as soon as possible. Second, let's talk about how much experience is required. So guys, experience is going to vary depending on the position you are applying for, as there is a hierarchy that also I'm going to share with you, but minimum 2 years and above experience is required in order to work in this department. So now let me share with you positions and the hierarchy of this department, so you will have a complete idea what positions, what steps you have to go forward, and what promotions you can take into the future. Before I tell you the hierarchy and the positions of this department, let me remind you the head of the kitchen department is the executive chef, and under the executive chef, one side there is the executive sous chef and the other side there is the executive pastry or a bakery chef. So from where this hierarchy is starting, executive bakery or pastry chef, then down there is a sous chef pastry, then down there is a chef de partie which can be pastry or bakery, and then guys over here below the chef de partie which can be pastry or bakery or can be both. On the other hand, we have a head baker, second we have a baker, then third we have an assistant baker, and then down we also have a baker training, and down there we have a galley utility. On the other hand, we have a pastry chef, assistant pastry chef. So down we have a trainee pastry, and below that we have a galley utility. So guys, you guys must be thinking about now, what is this baker trainee, what is this pastry trainee, where cruise lines does not hire a trainee people, they does not hire freshers. That also I'm going to share with you middle of the video. Alright, so now whatever positions I have shared with you, I'm going to give you a complete overview of all those positions. So what are the requirements for that positions, what experience is required for that position, and what is the salary range for those positions. All right, so now let me give you start from executive pastry chef. Executive pastry chef is responsible for supervision of a pastry staff and oversees the developing and preparation of all pastries. Requirement for this position: well, you require a culinary background of no less than 3 years, which can be in a restaurant department or in a hotel department. You require a very good communication skills into English, and also you require a degree and diploma holding for a culinary department. Salary range for this position, it is going to be somewhere between $2,900 to $3,400 depending on the cruise line. Second position we have is sous pastry chef, and it is responsible for the supervision of the pastry staff as directed by an executive pastry chef, oversees the developing and a preparation of all pastries. Requirement for this position, you require a degree or diploma for a culinary department, and your English has to be a very good. Salary range for this position is $2,600 to $3,000 depending on a cruise line. Next, chef de partie, pastry or bakery. Chef de partie are actually a senior middle level management, and chef de parties prepare and manages the food displays on a buffet and in a restaurant. For this position, require a culinary department background and require at least 3 years of experience, and your English also has to be fair. Salary range for this position is somewhere between $2,200 to $2,800 depending on a cruise line. Fourth position we have is head baker, and head bakers are responsible for the supervision of the bakery staff and controls and preparation and cooking of all bakery products. So guys, for this position requirements are you require a culinary background and at least require 2 years of experience and above, and your English also has to be fair. Salary range for this position is $1,800 to $2,300 depending on a cruise line. Next position we have is baker, and the bakers are responsible for preparation and cooking of all bakery products as directed by the head baker or a supervisor. And now guys, what are the requirements for this position is you require a culinary department background or experience in a restaurant and the hotels. All right, and your English also has to be fair. Now the salary range for this position is $1,200 to $1,700 depending on a cruise line. Next position we have is assistant bakers, and assistant bakers are responsible for preparing cooking products and all bakery products as directed by the bakers and the supervisors. Requirement for this position is quite similar. You require a culinary department background and or you require experience in a restaurant, in a hotel, in a 5-star hotels, and your English also needs to be good. All right, and the salary range for this position is $900 to $1,300 depending on a cruise line. On the other hand, now let's start a pastry positions. So first of all we have a pastry chef. Pastry staff are responsible for creating and preparing of all pastries as directed by the supervisors or a head superior. Requirement for this position, it is similar. You require a culinary department experience or require experience at least 2 years of hotels in a restaurant which are 5-star, and your English also needs to be good. Fair English is required, and the salary range for this position is $1,150 to $1,500 depending on a cruise line. Next position we have is assistant pastry chef, and the assistant pastry chef is responsible for support pastry staff for assisting in the preparation and cooking of all pastries as directed by the pastry chef. Requirement for these positions are quite similar. You require a culinary department experience or require experience in a hotels, in 5-star hotels, restaurant, and your English also needs to be fair, and the salary range for this position is $800 to $1,300. And now you guys must be thinking about all the positions are done, but I did not share any information about a trainee baker and a trainee pastries. But guys, as you guys know, cruise line does not hire any of the freshers. But why these positions are available then? I think so guys, I also did not get a very fair answer for this, but I think so for all the people who are working on board ship, maybe they are working into galley utility. All right, as you guys know, the last position is galley utility. So when those people want to shift their department wants to switch into the positions. So I think these are the positions are for them. So when they switch from galley to bakery or a pastry, so they go under a trainees. All right, so like the people who are working on a land, so we do not get an option to directly join as a trainee or the trainee baker or a trainee pastries. All right, so these are the positions are available for those people who are already working on board ship, who has an onboard experience and they want to switch their departments. I think this is how it goes, and this is what the information I've got from my friends who are working into the similar departments. So now how you can apply for these positions, I'm going to share with you so many vacancies also. But guys, see, you have a two option. First, you can apply online or you can apply offline. Offline means you directly go and visit a authorized hiring partners of these agencies or a directly company offices and you drop your CVs. That's how it goes offline. And the second is online. Guys, in online you have a two options. You can directly apply through a company website, means you go directly on a company website, a genuine website of companies where they put a positions which are available on board ship, and the second you go through agencies which are authorized hiring part of companies. All right, so guys, I'm going to share with you in this video both the things. I will share with you on a company website where positions are available for a kitchen department, so you can go and apply for a kitchen department directly through a company website, and also I will share with you agencies where the positions are available. Okay, all right, so now let me share with you the current vacancies which are available at the moment. First of all, I will be starting from agencies, and the very first agency is Kamakshi. Yes guys, there are so many of positions are available at the moment for this cold galley as well, and some hot galley positions are also available, and all these links I'm going to share with you down in the description below. So you go and click on this link, you will be redirected to my website, and the complete information, if you want to read out again, you can read out, and I will also share with you some of the positions and which are available, and agencies by agencies and the company by company. Whatever company you want to apply for, click on that link and you will be redirected to the company page. All right, because if I put all the links here, Google might will think I'm doing a spam, because there are going to be so many of different links. All right, second is cruise careers. Yes guys, cruisecareers.in as well, there are so many of positions are available, so please go and apply. All right, second is Johnsia Marine. If you guys are willing to apply for the jobs in a Dream Cruises, means all those cruises which sail into Asia, like there is a Star Cruises, Dream Cruises, so these are some cruise line, and the authorized hiring partner for this cruise line is Johnsia Marine, and some of the positions are also available on this agency's website. All right, fourth we have Hiren International. So if you guys want to work in a Royal Caribbean, please go visit Hiren International. I will be sharing a links down below and you will be able to apply a jobs in this department. Fifth we have is Airborne. So if you guys want to be in a Disney cruise line, then please go and visit a Airborne and you will be able to apply for the position. Sixth we have is V-Ships. Well guys, V-Ships is authorized hiring partner of Carnival, and now they are authorized hiring partner of Royal Caribbean as well. All right, so please visit a V-Ships. I will give all the links down below and you will be able to apply for this position. Seventh I have is Indus Careers. So please go and visit Indus Careers. Links are given down in the description below and you will be able to apply for the positions which are available at the moment. Okay, so guys, now these are the agencies where the positions are available at the moment. Not all the positions are available on all the websites, on all the agencies. Some different positions are available, or maybe some of the similar positions are available. So please go apply. I wish you a very good luck. And now let me share with you a company website where these positions are available. So if you are willing to apply directly to a company, you can go for it. Number one is Fred Olsen Cruise Line. I know guys, you must have not heard about this cruise line, but trust me, there are so many of cruise lines in the entire world. We just know about a 5 to 6 cruise lines which are really very huge and which are really very much famous. But there are some more cruise lines as well which are not that big as compared to this cruise line, but they do also have so many of ships. Link is given down in the description below. Please visit this website as well. Second, I have a Costa Cruises. As you guys know, Costa Cruises, there are so many of agencies for the Costa as well, but Costa Cruises also put and publish their jobs on their own website as well. The link I am giving you down in the description below, and I know most of you did not know about Costa Cruises also published a jobs on their own website. Third, I have a AIDA Cruises. Now I know you guys must be thinking there are only agencies. all the companies, they have their own websites as well. And now I have discovered Idea Cruises website as well. Links are given down in the description below. Please go and apply for the job. So guys, I hope you like my efforts, and if you, then please make sure you like this video. That's all I ask from you. I did not ask for any money, but this video took literally 3 days of research. All right, so guys, please make sure you subscribe the channel, press the bell icon with all notification on, so when I make more informative videos like this, you get notified automatically. If you don't subscribe, you will miss out the videos. All right, I will see you in the next video. Then take care, bye bye, and please tell me into the comment section how was the video.